Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes easily. First, let's gather your important documents. This includes income statements like a Form W-2 from your employer or various Form 1099s for other income sources. You'll also need records of any deductions or credits you plan to claim. Having everything organized upfront saves a lot of time and reduces stress during the filing process. We'll cover the basics to get you started confidently. Next, decide how you want to file your taxes. You can use popular tax software, which guides you step by step, or hire a tax professional for personalized assistance. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, paper forms are always an option. Remember, if your income is below a certain threshold, you might qualify for free tax filing services, making the process even more accessible. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Now, let's talk about saving money through deductions and credits. Deductions reduce your taxable income, meaning you pay tax on a smaller amount. Credits, on the other hand, directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. For example, a $1,000 credit saves you $1,000 in taxes. Understanding these can significantly impact your refund or the amount you owe. Always keep good records to support your claims. Finally, it's crucial to review your tax return thoroughly before submitting it. Look for any typos, incorrect numbers, or missed deductions. Ensure your Social Security number and bank account details are accurate if you're expecting a refund. Once you're confident, you can e-file for a faster process or mail in your paper forms. Submitting on time avoids penalties and ensures a smooth tax season for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.